Kumar Mangalam Birla has been on the lookout for mining assets overseas for the last 12 months with little success. But the AV Birla Group isn't giving up just as yet and has placed a bid for another key mining asset in Norway. We've got Nisha Podar who's breaking that exclusive story. Nisha, highlight for us which company it is and what are the valuations that we're talking about.
This time, Birla Group has set its eyes on Northern Iron, which is a Norway-based company. And this particular company produces iron ore to the tune of about 2.2 million tons. And AV Birla Group, as I hear from my sources who are directly involved in this particular deal, is that they have submitted an indicative bid. And at the moment, they are carrying out the due diligence process for it. In fact, a source in the AV Birla Group does tell me that this particular asset does look attractive for them. Now, the sellers at the moment are expecting a valuation of about $500 million. Remember, it's listed on Australian Stock Exchange and has a market cap of about 370 million tons. So iron ore it produces at the moment. It also has a long-term contract with Tata Steel's European operations, and when contacted, Northern Iron did confirm that they are looking at a strategic review and have hired Goldman Sachs as their advisor, and they also want to start this particular process by July this year. So there you go, Birlas are again in a race for a mining asset overseas, but what I also gather from my sources is that some of the Chinese and Japanese players could also be interested in this asset.